What's your son name?
Shane.
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 Shane. How to spell?
S-H-A-N-E.
H-H-A-N-E.
S-H-A-N-E.
Yeah. Yeah. H-H-A-N-E. Shane. Shane. Yeah. Shane. The bigger son or younger son?
He's my only son.
Only son. Oh, you have only one son.
He's my baby.
Really?
He's my youngest one. My daughter is 3 years older.
Oh, okay. Oh, you have two baby, but son and girl.
My daughter's about 40, I think. Will be about 40.
14?
40.
Oh.
40. All right. Next year.
How old is Shane?
Oh, yeah.
How old is Shane?
Shane is what, 38?
Huh?
39.
39.
39.
Oh, this is close to my son. My son 36,
Oh.
36, 37. Something.
Doesn't seem any time so just that high.
Yeah. But he look on the baby look younger in our eye, in a mother eye. How many persons go together?
I think altogether it'll be about 6.
6.
Yeah.
That's one I know or not? The person I know or not? It's the 6th person.
Jeff and Gayleen.
Oh, yeah, Jeff and Karen is okay.
And Margot.
Margot, I don't know.
Margot's the American lady.
Yeah. She the new person in a park or?
Oh, she's been there for a long time.
Already?
Yeah. Who else?
Maybe I forget her name. I must know her face, but I forget her name.
Know.
Yeah.
So it's only about 6 of us.
6 together?
Yeah. There would have been about 9
No.
if Kushla and Barry were coming, but Kushla had a big operation on her teeth.
Oh, no. Kusra is very nice person.
Yeah. No, she's not coming, Barry.
Oh, yeah.
Paul's not coming.
On couple. They come the on couple.
They're not coming at all.
Oh.
Anyway, we're just about there, I think. Yeah. So should we keep on this side, Shane, or just go
You can go straight ahead.
this way?
Okay. Okay. The same. But it's look very nice in the side of the boat.
It'll be interesting, this trip.
Yeah.
I haven't been on the
I-
harbour, have you?
I too. I very interesting trip. That's why I want to go. Harbor is where we go. What's the name harbor?
Whangarei Harbour?
Yeah. And then where we go?
I don't know. That's why I'm going on the trip. Just having a look.
That's what interesting me.
Yeah.
He say, oh, I go on the boat all the time. I don't want to go anymore. He said.
Yes, he said
He fishing on his line.
he did a lot of commercial fishing. He said
Yeah.
he used to go up and down the harbour, he said.
Yes. Always him.
That's fascinating.
Yeah.
Clock.
Very good. Good artist. Good design.
Oh,
Good design. ถึงทาวเบซินแล้วค่ะ Not only 6 person, no one else.
No, just us.
Just us. Okay.
Just us and Gayleen and Jeff and Margot.
Oh, that's good. Who is this boat? This boat,
Yeah.
who is it?
The harbour cruisers, they call themselves.
Huh?
I don't know the name of the boat.
No. Who the owner?
I don't know.
Oh, sorry.
No.
This is very nice restaurant. I come many times.
Oh, okay.
Come to eat it. It's a nice view. Or look outside.
My husband and I used to go there
Yeah.
for anniversaries and birthdays.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, from there.
change matter look the same his father I think
Very similar.
yeah very similar with his father
Yeah.
and they have a little bit same look like you
Both.
meow
Oh, there it is. Oh,
where the boat there
let's have a look. Oh, what's white?
กำลังเดินหาเรือว่าจะไปลง this one or not
Side cafe.
this one or not
Yes.
I think that one
Oh,
oh
hi.
oh yeah
Yeah, we just thought we'd come and have a look at it.
Yeah, but to get on board, you go along here and
Oh, do
down
you?
the bridge and then along.
Oh,
'Cause you
okay.
can't. It's a bit of a jump.
Oh, okay.
oh
And
okay
you've got to be careful.
It's
Yeah.
a bigger jump for me.
Oh,
oh okay
Go and have a look, though. Hello.
hello
yourself.
Oh, Galen tried to get me.
hello how are you I'm going good
No,
and you
Yeah,
I bring my spring roll come with me too
Oh,
I
cool.
I not eat it wait but yet
Beautiful.
I not eat wait but yet
Is Bob not coming?
no he say he
G'day,
very bold in the boat and in the harbor he come very many time before
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've never been on it before.
oh I never
This
I
is
don't
my
know
first time.
yeah I don't know I've been there or not but I only go somewhere I not remember the name if they come again oh I come
I
again.
love that colour you've put through.
Yeah,
Isn't
this
it
is
beautiful?
This is shampoo.
Is it a shampoo?
Yeah, I only put the shampoo and clean the hair. They come the color.
Oh, I
They come
must
to have the
remember
colour there.
that. I use a purple shampoo, but it doesn't go.
Really?
Doesn't go.
But
to-
before you use the shampoo, you must put in 1
Oh.
hour before you
Oh,
clean
it's
it.
like a tint.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
yeah, you should put in.
Yeah, an hour.
Mix with your hair 1 hour before you put
Yeah.
clean.
Mine
Oh,
Then
that's
after you
pretty
clean, you
and then they pull
have
it
the
away.
color.
Yeah.
My color is very gray, you know.
Yeah.
That's why I put the
No, it's
purple
lovely.
color. Shampoo there.
You're taking a video.
Yeah, I take video of
The
myself.
way it pops up on you.
Is this to send back home? Back, well, home's here.
Kind of-
Back
it's
to
not a spreading
Thailand.
Yeah,
to
I want to
your
show my friend what the
families.
what the
grow on.
what the hobby I do every day or something like that. Yeah, yeah.
You got it. Yes, it was, wasn't it?
You not mine?
No, I don't mind.
It was actually pretty small.
Okay.